Great morning everyone. Today we are going to perform a titration experiment between sodium hydroxide solution and oxalic acid. Firstly, we have to prepare unknown concentration of sodium hydroxide and 0.1 mole of oxalic acid. We have to titrate it against sodium hydroxide. For this we need a flask, a pipette by which we will measure 10 ml of oxalic acid, phenolphthalein indicator and a burette. Firstly, we are going to rinse all the apparatus with the distilled water. We are doing so because there should be no contamination in any of the apparatus, so that there will be no error in our readings. As you can see, I fill the burette with sodium hydroxide solution in the burette. Now I am going to rinse the conical flask with distilled water. We have to fill the burette up to 0 mark. If there are any extra volume of sodium hydroxide, we will remove it. And second thing, we keep in mind that there should be no bubble in this knob. So we will remove the extra sodium hydroxide from the burette and throw it away. Now we are going to take 0.1 mole of oxalic acid with the help of pipette. Suck the oxalic acid very carefully. As you can see, we have to fill this pipette up to the mark. Now I am going to add this 10 ml oxalic acid into the conical flask. It is done. In burette I have sodium hydroxide and in conical flask I have 0.1 normal oxalic acid. I have to titrate it against sodium hydroxide. Now I am add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to the conical flask. As you can see, while performing this experiment, two things you have to keep in mind. First is, you have to add sodium hydroxide solution dropwise to the conical flask and shake it well. The solution should be added dropwise. Release the pressure and shake the solution in the flask. Very slowly release the pressure and stir the solution. As you can see now, there is appearance of light pink color, but is not permanent. It is disappearing when I am shaking it. So I have to add the sodium hydroxide solution until the pink color appear even after I stir the solution. Now you can see this is the end point of the experiment, light pink color. Now note down the reading from the burette. You have to note down at least 3 to 4 readings so that we can take an average and our calculation will be accurate. We have to take 3 to 4 readings of this. By this, we can calculate the concentration of sodium hydroxide solution. I hope this is clear to all.